What is up, everyone? This is Tim from Eikon Motorsports. Just landed about 55 minutes ago or so. Picked up my rental car. As you can see, I'm driving. I did not ship my car, and I don't also drive a Toyota Corolla. Or Camry, actually. I think this is what this is. I'm heading to the next installation here for me. I've got one more after this. I just left North Carolina. I was there with a C8. Today's installation is also C8. And you may or may not know who this gentleman is. Supposedly some kind of a big deal. No, you guys will definitely know. The cool thing about this gentleman, and I won't say his name until you see him, you know, in this camera, but the cool thing about him and his wife is that you may not be into the style of stuff that they create, but I promise you at some point in time you have seen a video from these guys, and they are hilarious, awesome. It's an honor to be meeting him face to face. It's a privilege to be the one selected to do his car. I'm excited. Today's probably gonna be fun. Looking forward to it. People like this have a good time. They're very familiar with cameras. They're very used to the cameras in their face. Being content creators and content icons and, you know, that kind of good stuff. I'm new to it, obviously. I'm not as comfortable in any way, shape, or form, nor will I ever probably be as comfortable and used to it as they. But I will say the journey has been fun so far. It's been nice to experiment, to try something new. I'm old, you know, so yeah, it's yeah. All right, guys, I am here. I am with this beautiful, beautiful, not only man, but beautiful C8. Man, with this, that accelerant yellow trim is just beautiful. Oh, man.
There's your extra sticker, too, of course.
Yeah.
I messed with the battery, so I got the little reject here because it's not registered yet. It'll be good by the time I've driven it 200 miles.
So for those of you who most of you know, this is Hammy TV. I told you in the introduction I was going to wait till he was on camera to mention who it was, but I get the privilege of putting the vertical doors on his C8. Beautiful C8.
Only the best.
Only the best.
From West Coast to the very East Coast.
To Dubai.
To do it. To do it.
Yep.
The best has to do it. Do it right.
All right, so we'll do some clips, updates as we go, but I'm going to go ahead and get started on this guy right now.
It looks so different, dude.
Yeah, it really changes it.
Wow. Unbelievable. I love how you can like still open it normal too if you want.
Yeah, you go ahead. It's all done. Go ahead and pull it straight down.
Dude, that's some strong.
Oh yeah. Go ahead and close it.
Wow. So are there any other vehicles that are similar to this?
As for the angle?
Like, yeah, I mean, I know McLaren and stuff, but is this like a... It's just fun. I mean, I've gotten in and out of Lambos, I just never even noticed.
Yeah, it's I mean, as far as the angle on the C8 kit, yeah, it's close to the Aventador as far as the angle goes. But obviously, it still comes out first and then goes up. It's got to clear the door panel and shit.
Yeah. What a fucking difference.
Yeah. But it's so much easier getting in and out, though.
Yeah.
You have all the leg room right there.
Dude, you can dive in this fucking thing. It's incredible, dude. It's incredible. So once you put the thing back on...
Once I put the fender back on?
Those wires will be gone.
Yeah, you won't see the wires.
Listen. He showed me the before and after. The wires hanging out is not correct. Him and Eikon knows how to do it so you hide the wires. Well, you won't be able to see it, but once he's done, that's the most important thing, okay? People are doing ass jobs out there because they're not hiding the wires and it doesn't look good, it looks cheap. Eikon, they know how to do it to hide the wires to make it look properly done. That's why you need to call him. That's why he came from Arizona to Boston.
EikonMotorsports.com, EIKON Motorsports.com for all you who don't know. But I'm sure if you found this video, you probably found the website, but... Alright guys, we are finished. Beautiful, beautiful looking C8. That's what it looks like with the doors up. It's Let's check it out with the doors closed. All right, so here's the passenger side. And now on the driver's side. Beautiful factory finish. What more could you want? Now let's see if Hammy's happy. All right, so Mr. Hammy here is finally seeing his car finished for the first time.
The front's all put back on.
Front's back together-ish.
All right, here we go. Oh yeah. It's just such a difference. It's so much better. So much easier to get in. That's
Yeah,
bad.
and now it's like, because you have all that opening now to swing your feet. No more door panel, right?
No, it really is. I like how it looks though. It looks so clean.
Yeah.
Like you can't tell. It looks like it just came factory completely. You can't tell. Actually, so like, now what do? You just grab
Come straight down.
Yeah, it's easy. It takes a little bit.
Yeah, muscle memory. You'll get used to it.
Not used to it yet. And then when it goes down like that, where do people usually grab it from? Like
The back side. You get more leverage. Yeah. The back, bottom, whatever.
Right, there we go. That's super simple. That's only my first time doing it. It's very easy from out here. I can tell that it's already getting least resistant every single time I do it.
It'll get a lot easier to pull down once that shock completely breaks in.
Dude, this thing was so fucking sick.
I think we're Hammy approved.
Yeah, it's just... How many people I travel to, I'm telling you, if you get these, call my guy because they're gonna mess it up. You gotta put a picture on the YouTube of the wires, how bad it looks when other people do it.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing looks...
All right, guys, that is it. We are here in Boston, right outside of Boston, Mass, with Mr. Hammy himself, and he loves it. So